wanted to do a quick video for you guys since I just did a blog post on the 6 key habits to being a stay-at-home mom. So the first one is goals, and goals are so important because I feel like life is so hectic all the time that we feel like we never accomplish anything. Like we're always cleaning the house, we're always doing laundry, we're always doing dishes, we're always cooking dinner. Like nothing's ever getting accomplished because we're always just not, it always, like we're getting stuff done, but it's continuously getting messed up and we're always like constantly doing those things. So if we create goals like I'm gonna just wash the dishes tonight, or I'm going to sit down and play with my kids, or I'm gonna put a date night on the calendar, then those are mini goals that we can accomplish, and then we can look back and be like, I did it. I set 3 goals this week and I accomplished all of them, and then we can feel more accomplished. So the second one is having a routine. This has been big for me because even though like brushing your teeth or taking a shower seems like little things, if you put these down on a paper and say this is our morning routine, afternoon routine, and our evening routine, then you're not letting the day get away from you. So it's not like, oh shoot, it's like 1 in the afternoon and I haven't even like brushed the kids' teeth. Like for you, you can be like, oh, I need to brush my teeth in the morning. But if you're like, wake up, breakfast, do all these things, it might get away from you. So I put a link for a routine or a daily schedule that I made. If you guys want to use that, you can go on Etsy and download it. So look in the description. And then the third one is self-care. This is so important for being a stay-at-home mom because we totally lose ourselves. Like I can't even tell you how bad like I've lost myself. I've gained weight. I look horrible. I remember whenever I got pregnant, I was like, I will never be those people that I saw at the hospital who are there in sweatpants and no makeup. And that's like me every day now, because it's like you're working here and you're doing a dirty job. Like you're cleaning and dishes and cooking, and it's like, you're not gonna put on nice clothes to do that. Like it's not comfortable to be in jeans and be cleaning the house, you know? So we get stuck in that routine and we feel comfortable in those clothes. So it's like, I don't want to put jeans on and be uncomfortable, you know? So anyways, make sure you take time for yourself. Like no matter what it is, if you paint your nails, go get your hair done once a month or every 6 weeks. Take a bath with a bath bomb, put some oils in it. Like just do something extra for yourself so that you could feel good. The next thing is making one-on-one time for you and your spouse. This is important because I feel like it's easy to get wrapped up in the daily things and then you never make time for yourself, or for you guys together. And this is really important because it also ties into being a good parent and making decisions and choices for your kids, and just reconnecting and remembering each other. So I feel like whenever you and your spouse are doing good, then everything kind of flows a little bit better. Communication is a major thing, and sometimes if we're stuck at home and we're just in the daily grind, then we forget to communicate. So if we take the time to go do a date night, then we're more likely to communicate where it's one-on-one. But I would suggest putting the phones down. So I was surprised the last time Matt said no phones, and it was the best thing ever. Okay, the next thing is making mom friends. I know can be kind of hard, but momsclub.org, I think it is a really good way, and that's how I made a lot of mom friends. They have Mom's Night Out, they have regular events that go on every month, and it's an international organization. So if you go on momsclub.org, then you can look up and see if your city has a mom's club. But also if you just look up mom's club on Google, you might find other organizations that you can join if maybe the mom's club isn't in your city. But if it is, I would highly recommend Mom's Club because I just have had such a great experience with it. I'm on the board this year. I joined the board, so I do all the planning and everything, and it's an amazing group. And the last thing is taking quality time out for your kids. I mean, even if you're like, I have to wash the dishes, like let the kids wash the dishes with you, even if they're not really washing them. Teach them those life skills. And if you can, sit down, even if you're just coloring a picture, but take that time. I know my daughter loves when my son goes to bed and I get that extra one-on-one time with her. So if you can do that, if I know it's hard with 2 kids sometimes, or even more, and depending on how close in age they are, but if you can do that, that would be great. Because I know just my daughter is like, make him go back to sleep when he wakes up. So yeah, those are my 6 key habits to being a stay-at-home mom. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys have any other suggestions for stay-at-home moms, put them in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.